Okay, I just came up with a really interesting, probably strange idea. I'm trying to get that glare out of my face, off the camera. I was craving a snack, didn't know what I wanted. I just ate the last of my toasted walnuts. But I don't really want, those were sweet. I kind of want something salty, spicy, but I don't want junk. I don't really have junk to eat. So I'm gonna try making some air fried garbanzo beans. I already made the garbanzo beans from scratch, and I needed to do something with them. I was gonna make some more hummus with some of them, but then I got the idea that maybe I can make some crispy, tasty, air-fried garbanzo beans. Gonna try it. So here are my homemade garbanzo beans. We're gonna whip them up in a bowl with some oil and seasoning and see how they fry up. If you watched one of my previous videos, my last food bank haul, that's the free seasoning I got from them, so that's pretty cool. So let's put this in the air fryer. There's my air fryer, a little bit dirty in there. Put these in the air fryer. They're in the air. I needed 2 hands to get them in. So we're just going to stir them around. Spread them out. There. Now we'll see what happens in 15 minutes. It'll beep at me to check them halfway through, so. Those are toasting up just about right, really nicely. We have about 5 more minutes. I stirred them once already and stirred them around again right now. We'll see what happens after 5 more minutes. There they are. Sorry about the noise in the background. That's my milk machine making a fresh batch of milk. I think I have a video on that already. These are very hot, so I want to see if they're crispy though. They're very good. Yes, those are very good. Probably could use about 2 more minutes. Give them a couple more minutes. That's what you're hearing. My new little milk machine. Like 6 minutes to make oat milk. And there's the puppers came to see what's going on. Say hi. Puppy kisses. Puppy kisses. Okay, here they are. Oh, there we go. Now they're definitely toasted up. You let those cool and then put it into a jar and have them as snacks. And if they taste good enough, when I get to try them, they're probably way, way too hot right now. So once I give them a taste test and try them out, I will make another batch. And if you don't have homemade garbanzo beans or you don't want to make them, you can do this with the ones from the cans. Super easy. Just open the can, drain out the liquid. You can save the liquid for other recipes. You can look that up on YouTube. There's a guy named Stash. I can't remember his whole channel name, but he does a lot of things with garbanzo beans, and he shows easy ways to use them. And there's a lot of videos out there about making snacks out of garbanzo beans, and other dishes. They're very versatile, and the liquid can be used in many other ways. So check it out.